Hi, I'm a naturopathic doctor. Today I'll be talking about how you can reduce swimming cramps as you age. If you find yourself cramping up while you swim, you're not alone. Swimming is an excellent exercise for people of all ages, but as we get older, our risk of cramping increases. This can make it difficult and uncomfortable, and sometimes even dangerous to swim. Fortunately, there are some simple tips that you can use to help prevent cramps while you in the pool, so keep watching to find out what they are. Muscle cramps, also known as Charlie horses, are painful muscle contractions that can occur when you're swimming or exercising. They can cause your muscles to feel tight and sore, and they can make it difficult to move around. While cramps can happen to anyone, regardless of their age, they're more common in older adults due to a variety of factors. These include decreased blood flow, reduced muscle mass, and decreased muscle elasticity. All these things increase your risk of cramping while you're swimming. In addition, older adults may also be more susceptible to cramps due to dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, and nerve problems. When it comes to dehydration, it's important to stay properly hydrated before, during, and after a swim. Drinking plenty of water will help keep your muscles from cramping up because dehydration can lead to decreased blood volume, which in turn can reduce the amount of oxygen and nutrients that reach your muscles. This can make them more likely to cramp up while you're swimming. Electrolyte imbalances also play a role in cramping. Electrolytes, such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium, help regulate muscle function. So when your electrolyte levels are off balance, it can increase your risk of cramping. This can be especially true for older adults who may have difficulty regulating their electrolytes properly. Nerve problems can also contribute to cramping. As we age, our nerves may become less efficient at communicating with our muscles, which can lead to muscle spasms and cramps. In addition, older adults may also be more prone to nerve damage due to conditions like diabetes or peripheral neuropathy. Fortunately, there are some things that you can do to help reduce your risk of cramping while you're swimming. One of the most effective things that you can do is start with a proper warm-up. Before getting into the pool, it's important to warm up your muscles with some light cardio such as jogging or jumping jacks. You can also do some dynamic stretches such as arm circles and leg swings to help increase your range of motion. Warming up your muscles helps to increase blood flow and deliver more oxygen and nutrients to them, which can reduce the risk of cramping. Another thing that you can do is focus on your breathing technique. Proper breathing is essential for preventing cramps. When you breathe heavily or hold your breath for extended periods of time, you can alter your body's pH levels, leading to muscle cramping. To ensure that you're breathing properly while swimming, try to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. You should also try to keep your breathing consistent and avoid holding your breath. By focusing on your breathing technique, you can help maintain the proper pH levels in your body, which can reduce the risk of cramping. Staying hydrated is another key factor when it comes to preventing cramps. Before getting into the pool, make sure you drink plenty of water to help keep your body hydrated. You should also take water breaks during your swim and rehydrate afterwards. In addition, you can consider using a hydration pack while you swim to make it easier to stay hydrated. If you're exercising for longer than an hour, you may also want to consider drinking a sports drink to replenish your electrolytes. Electrolytes are minerals that carry an electrical charge, and they help regulate muscle function. When you sweat, you lose electrolytes, which can lead to imbalances that cause cramps. Sports drinks typically contain a mix of electrolytes, including sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which can help prevent cramping. Wearing the right swim gear can also help reduce your risk of cramping. Make sure to wear a comfortable swimsuit that fits well and doesn't restrict your movement. You should also consider wearing a swim cap to reduce drag and keep your hair out of your face. In addition, you may want to invest in a pair of goggles that provide good peripheral vision. This can help you see what's going on around you while you swim, which can reduce your risk of injury and cramping. If you experience persistent cramping, consider consulting with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Some medical conditions, such as diabetes, hypothyroidism, and kidney disease, can increase your risk of cramping. A healthcare professional can help identify any potential issues and recommend appropriate treatment options. They may also suggest doing a blood test to check your electrolyte levels and other tests to assess your overall health and fitness level. Another thing you can do is work on improving your flexibility. Stretching regularly can help improve your range of motion and reduce the risk of cramping. There are many different stretches that you can do to improve your flexibility, such as the butterfly stretch, the pike position, and the seated forward bend. You can also try yoga or Pilates, which are excellent for improving flexibility and balance. By improving your flexibility, you can help your body move more freely and reduce the risk of cramping while you swim. Finally, listen to your body and take breaks when needed. It's important to push yourself while swimming, but it's also important to know when to take a break. If you're feeling fatigued or cramping, take some time to rest and recover. You can take a break from swimming and do some light stretching, or just relax and drink some water. By listening to your body and taking breaks when needed, you can help prevent serious cramps and injuries while you swim. Now let's talk about how herbal tea can help reduce cramping while you swim. There are certain herbs that have antispasmodic properties, meaning that they can help relax your muscles and reduce cramping. One of the best herbs for this is chamomile. Chamomile is a popular herb that's often used to promote relaxation and sleep. It has anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties that can help reduce muscle cramping. You can drink chamomile tea before or after your swim to help relax your muscles and reduce cramping. Another herb that can help reduce cramping is ginger. Ginger is a root that's often used in cooking and has a long history of use in traditional medicine. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help reduce muscle pain and cramping. You can drink ginger tea before or after your swim to help soothe your muscles and reduce cramping. Peppermint is another herb that can help reduce cramping. It's a fragrant mint herb that's often used to add flavor to food and beverages. Peppermint has antispasmodic properties that can help relax your muscles and reduce cramping. You can drink peppermint tea before or after your swim to help refresh your body and reduce cramping. In addition to these teas, you can also try drinking other fluids to help reduce cramping while you swim. For example, coconut water is a natural source of electrolytes, which, as we mentioned earlier, can help reduce cramping. You can drink coconut water before or during your swim to help replenish your electrolytes and reduce cramping. Another option is to drink diluted apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy for reducing cramping. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water and drink it before or after your swim to help balance your pH levels and reduce cramping. However, it's important to note that while herbal tea and other drinks can be helpful in reducing cramping while you swim, they're not a substitute for proper training, nutrition, and hydration. It's still important to warm up before swimming, stay hydrated during your swim, and listen to your body and take breaks when needed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You can also subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.